Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix Steam API.dll missing from your computer or the file is not there error. So what happens is usually when you're installing a game in your Windows PC, this steam_api.dll is flagged as a virus and it is quarantined. So what you'll have to do is, if you're getting this error, you'll have to go to your search tab here and then type in Windows Security. So this page will come up, and then from here you'll have to go to Virus and Threat Protection, and then from here you'll see this Protection History button. Press on that. So you'll see the file, the steam_dll.api here, and what you'll have to do is you'll have to press on the drop down menu and then press on the action drop down menu, and here you'll see a restore option. So simply you'll have to restore the file, that Steam file, and then what you'll have to do is you'll have to go back and then relaunch your application and see if the file is running or not. So this is how you can fix the steam.dll error. That is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.